Okay, now today we are going to study again about the word problem of subtraction. So everybody, please prepare your textbook. Please open page 54. Have you guys prepared your textbook page 54? Okay, now look at the question over here. So we have a question here. Number 4, Jack picks 4,000 oranges on his farm. Davis picks 935 fewer oranges than Jack. How many oranges does Davis pick? Okay, look at the question. There are two clues over here. The first one, we have the number of oranges which belongs to Jack. So Jack picks 4,000 oranges on his farm. So the number that we should put over here, well, actually it's 4,000. We have the next clue. Davis picks 935 fewer oranges than Jack. This is not the amount of oranges which belongs to Davis. So 935, we should put it over here. So what should we do? You need to find this part. Look at this. 4,000 is the longest part. Longest model over here is 4,000, and then this side is 935. You need to find out something which is smaller, because you are finding the bar that is smaller. It means you have to do subtraction. So let's put the number over here. We have 4,000. Okay, 4,000 over here, and then put the sign over here is minus or subtract, and then the number over here is 935. Let's count it. So we have the answer is 3,065. You understand? So Davis picks, what is the answer? 3,065 oranges. Do you guys understand? That is for question number 4. Now let's go to question number 5. A shopper has 2,000 packs of paper and 1,726 notebooks. How many more packs of paper than notebooks does the shopkeeper have? Look at over here. A shopkeeper has 2,000 packs of paper. Then look at over here. We have two models here. Why we have two models here? Because we talk about two things here. We talk about the paper and the notebooks. You guys understand? So the number for the packs of paper is 2,000. Let's put it over here. And then we have the number for the notebooks. So the notebooks is 1,726. You write down over here. So what is the question? And the question is, how many more packs of paper than notebooks does the shopkeeper have? So we need to find out the difference between these two numbers. If you want to find the difference, you need to do subtraction. So let's write down over here 2,000. Okay, and then on the circle, we write down the sign for the operation is subtract. And over here, we write down 1,726. Okay, this is a good note for you guys. If you want to subtract something, you have to understand that you have to subtract bigger number with a smaller number. So do not put it upside down. So 2,000, if you want to make it vertically, 2,000 on the top, and below it you have to write down 1,726. So we get the difference is 274. Is it clear? So let's put it in the sentence. The shopkeeper has 274 more packs of paper than notebooks. Okay, now let's go to the next page. We have next page over here. Lesson 5, word problems, page 55. Question number 1. Anna and Intan are selling tickets. Anna sells 3,450 tickets and Intan sells 1,286 tickets fewer than Anna. So we have two clues here. First, the amount of Anna's tickets, and then the second one, the difference of Intan's tickets and Anna's tickets. But over here you have to know that Intan sell fewer, means Intan's total amount of ticket must be smaller than Anna. You guys understand? That's why over here, if you see the model, we have longer bar model for Anna because Anna has 3,450 tickets and Intan has less. Why? The clue over here, 1,286 tickets fewer than Anna. This one, we put it over here. You guys understand? So what should we do? Because we are finding the smaller bar over here, the smaller model, means you have to subtract. That's why 3,450, you have to subtract it with 1,286, so you get 2,164. And then for question B, how many tickets do they sell altogether? After you find out the amount of Intan's tickets, then you can do question B. Once again, you cannot do question B if you cannot find question A. So you have to find the answer first for question A, then you can do question B. So if the question is how many tickets do they sell altogether, means you have to know the total amount of their tickets. That's why over here you have addition. Do you guys understand? So this is the answer. Next, we go to the next question on page 55. Look at number 2. A pen costs 5,300 rupiah. A pencil costs 1,200 rupiah, less than the pen. How much do both items cost altogether? Okay, look at over here. We have two things here. We have the pen and we have the pencil. The price for the pen, we know it clearly that it is 5,300 rupiah. We put it here. But do you know the price for the pencil? So the clue in the question is a pencil costs 1,200 rupiah less than the pen. So we put the 1,200 over here. So how to find the a cost for all of them? We cannot directly add it, guys. You need to find out the cost for the pencil first. What should we do? So over here, we should write down the number first. So the first one, what should we put? Yes, you have to put 5,300 rupiah. You put 5,300. Okay, because you need to find out the pencil. Remember, if you find out the pencil, guys, look at this. The pencil is smaller. So the operation is, yes, it's subtraction. And then what should you write down over here? This number must be subtracted by 1,200. So you will put over here 1,200. 1,300, you minus it with 1,200. So we have 4,100. So what is the price for the pencil? So the pencil costs 4,100 rupiah. Okay, next we go to the next question. This is the main question, guys. So if you answer only until this, well, actually you don't finish the question. Okay, so you have to finish the question. Why? Because the question is how much do both items cost altogether. So what should we add? We add the price for the pen first. Before you know, the price for the pen is 5,300 rupiah. Get it? We add, what is the operation here? Because you find out the amount of all, means you put, yes, addition. It's not subtraction. Okay, next over here, we need to write down the cost of the pencil. So the pencil is 4,100 rupiah. Okay, then what is the answer for all of it? Let's count it again. So the answer is 9,400. Both items cost 9,400 rupees altogether. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.